So hi guys, welcome to the first video of this channel, and in this video I will tell you how to install Windows 10. So let's get started. So to install Windows 10, first we have to download it. So let me show you how we can download Windows 10. So for that, first of all, open your browser and search for Windows 10 download. After that, click on the first website. And guys, here you can see that there is a tool provided by Microsoft which we can download and we can create a bootable pen drive for Windows 10. But in this video, I will show you how to download the ISO file. So to download the ISO file, you have to access the same website from your Android phone, and you can also access the website from your Linux PC, like from the computer in which Linux is installed. So in this video I am showing you how you can download the ISO file from a mobile phone. So we have to do same step. Just type Windows 10 download and go to the first website. Then select the edition and click on confirm. Now it is asking us to select a language, so you can select a language of your choice and then you can click on confirm. Now here you can see that there are two ISO files available. One is of 32-bit and one is of 64-bit. So click on the one you have to download. For me, I am downloading 64-bit. And here you can see that the download is now started. So here you can see that the download is now completed. So I will now copy this ISO file in my PC. So now after downloading the ISO file, our next step is to create a bootable USB disk. So for that I am using the software Power ISO. I will also mention the link in the description of this video, so you also can download this tool. And the pen drive I am using is SanDisk 8 GB. To download this tool, go to your browser, search for Power ISO and then go to the first website. There you can see that there are two versions of Power ISO. You can download according to your Windows. So first I will format my USB disk. Make sure that you have selected the USB disk which you have to make bootable for Windows 10. After selecting your pen drive, click on Clean USB drive and it will start formatting your pen drive. Now go to Tools and select the option Create Bootable USB Drive. Here make sure that you select the pen drive which you have to make bootable, and in the image file select the Windows 10 ISO file which you have downloaded. Once all is done, click on Start and then click OK. So here we can see that the task is now completed. And guys, here you can see the bootable pen drive for Windows 10. Now comes the main part of installing Windows 10. So let's get started. So here is the laptop in which we have to install Windows 10, and as of now you can see that there is nothing installed in this. So after inserting your USB disk, restart the laptop and go to the BIOS menu. Now in the boot option 1, make sure that you select your pen drive, and then you can save this configuration by pressing F10 button. And here you can see that the setup is now started. So choose the language and then click on next button. Now click on install now and the setup will be started. Now here you have to enter your product key, and if you don't have, then you have to click on I don't have a product key. Now here it is asking to select the version for Windows 10. For me, I will select Windows 10 Pro. After selecting, click on next. Now here it is asking to accept the license terms, so just click on accept and click on next. Now here we will choose the second option, as we have to install the clean copy of Windows. So choose the second option, and now we have to select the disk in which we have to install the Windows. So for me, I have only one disk, so I will select that and I will click on new and then click on OK. And then here you can see that the Windows have modified the partition according to the setup. And after that you can select the disk and click on next. Now you can see that the setup is started. Now in between the setup, your laptop will start many times. So after the first restart of your laptop, you have to go to the BIOS settings, and then you have to select the hard disk of your laptop in which you are installing Windows 10 as your boot option 1, so that it can now boot the Windows from the hard disk and not from the USB disk. After changing the option, save the settings and your PC will start once again. Now the Windows is loading from our hard disk and not from the USB. Now here it is asking to choose as the keyboard layout, so just choose according to you and click on next, then click on skip. Now here it is asking us to connect to a network. For now I will just choose I don't have an internet. Here we have to choose continue with limited setup. And now we have to give a name to our PC. Now here we have to choose a password which we will use to log in to our Windows. Now here it is asking to create some security questions. Now here are some privacy settings for your device, so you can turn on and off according to your needs, and after that just click on accept. So in this also just click on accept, and it will start configuring your Windows. So finally the setup is now completed. So now I will show you the things which we have to do after installing the Windows 10. So first let me connect to my Wi-Fi. Now the first thing we have to do is we have to install our drivers. So for that we have to go to the settings and then we have to go to the Windows update option. In Windows 10 the Windows will automatically detect all the drivers for your PC. So here you can see that the updates are being installed now, so it will take some time to install. And after updating the install, it will ask us to restart the PC. So just click on restart button and your PC will start again. And all the updates are now installed in our PC. And guys, here is a bonus tip for you. So after restarting your PC, if you are again facing some problem regarding your drivers, so just go to the settings again, then go to Windows Update and then click on View Optional Updates, and here we have to select all the options and then click on Download and Install. And after that the Windows will start downloading all the additional drivers for your laptop, and after installing it, it will again ask to start the PC. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you like this video, and if you have any question you can comment below, and if you like this video please make sure to like and please subscribe the channel for the future videos.